everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AllasYummyFood. I'm Alla, the host of this show, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing gluten-free almond chocolate chip cookies. They are so easy to make, so delicious and absolutely fantastic if you're looking for gluten-free desserts. In a bowl, add your egg, and you want to whisk that for a couple of minutes until it starts to become nice and fluffy. I usually use an electric whisker as it's much easier and faster. Once your egg is nice and fluffy, just like so, you're going to add your almond butter. Now, I'm using all my almond butter straight away into the bowl and then using a whisk and mixing everything together. Now, it might be a bit tough at first, just hold your bowl and just keep mixing it until all the ingredients are incorporated. Then add your coconut sugar. This will give it a nice brown color. Baking soda and vanilla extract. And you want to mix everything one more time. I really like the flavor caramelization of the coconut sugar together with almond. Honestly, these cookies are so good. Once you're done, you want to change it to your spatula and just mix everything together. The mixture should be nice and sticky and firm, just like so. And then add your chocolate chip cookies. I'm using both dark and milk, and just mix everything together until it's incorporated and smooth, just like that. Over here I've got my baking tray lined with baking paper, and I'm just gonna take a piece of cookie dough, roll it in my hands. I also wet my hands, and this way they don't stick to your hands. And then you just want to shape into this cookie shape. You can use smaller or larger cookies, it's completely up to you. And then place them onto your baking tray and leave some space around it. What I usually like to do is to add extra chocolate chip cookies on top to give it like a very pretty look, especially when they bake. So just add a couple of pieces of chocolate chips on top of your cookies. Now, once you've done them all, you want to place them into your hot preheated oven and bake them. The time will depend on your oven, and I'll list everything in your recipes. Once they're done, you want to take them out. Look how gorgeous they are. The house smells so good. They are so yummy. I usually leave them to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes, and they come off the parchment paper really easily. Just look at that crust. They're very crunchy on the outside and super moist and gooey inside. The chocolate, the almond and vanilla just make these cookies so yummy. These didn't last long in my house. I usually serve them up on a board like that, and we just enjoyed them so much. They were absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you to try these and let me know what you think. Just look how cute and delicious they are.